Hello friends, myself Mr. Paresh R. Patil, completed my M.Pharm in Pharmacology, currently working as an assistant professor at Institute of Pharmaceutical Education Boradi, Dalshirpur, district Dhule. Today I need to discuss about the topic alkaloids. Friends, how to define alkaloids? Alkaloids are class of naturally occurring organic compounds that mostly contain basic nitrogen atoms. This group also includes some related compounds with neutral and even weakly acidic properties. Some synthetic compounds of similar structure may also be termed as alkaloids. Alkaloids are defined as it is a class of naturally occurring organic compounds which are classified as true alkaloids, amino alkaloids, and pseudoalkaloids. Alkaloids are also classified which contain the heterocyclic nitrogens which is derived from amino acids, while amino alkaloids are classified as simple amines which also derive from the amino acids, and the pseudo alkaloids are the examples are terpenoids alkaloids which is not derived from amino acids but from acetylcholine units, for example the caffeine. Functions of alkaloids: they may act as a reservoir for protein synthesis. They may act as a protective against the animals or insect attacks like hormones. Their functions as plant stimulations or regulations in active like growth, metabolism, and reproduction